There are three main ways to cut and trim video clips in Premiere Pro. The first way involves moving your cursor to the end of your video, where you'll see a red line appear. You can click and drag this red line to shorten the beginning or end of your video. However, this method isn't very helpful because it only allows us to edit the outsides of a clip, so that's where the razor tool comes in handy. This can be found on your toolbar next to the timeline, or it can be activated by hitting the C key. Click on the tool and go to the part of the video that you want to cut and click on it. This will cut your video into two pieces, which you can then move around. Although the razor tool is handy, it still isn't the best way to trim and cut video clips. The third and by far the most popular way to cut clips is to just use a keyboard command. Go to the part of the clip you want to cut and highlight the clip. Then hold Ctrl and push K, and that will cut your clip. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.